How did I start my YouTube journey with this channel? Yep, this is the video you all requested. No bullshit, no clickbait, straight to the point, just like in the thumbnail. I'm going to give you all my secrets for free. You want to know why? Because I'm so happy that I have the best audience in this entire platform. You guys helped me to reach 20,000 subscribers within just 4 months, without even seeing my face. That's why I'm going to share my story and knowledge about this platform with you for free. So, let me first tell you about why I decided to start this channel specifically. I'm from a country called Sri Lanka. I'm now 27 years old, and since I was 20, I have been obsessed with making money online. Within the last 7 years, I have done a lot of online businesses: dropshipping, print on demand, Fiverr, crypto trading, and YouTube. These are just some of the ways I make money online. This is not my first YouTube channel. This is actually my 7th YouTube channel. But why this channel is so special to me? It's because this is the only and first channel that I have an audience from all around the world. When I created my first video for this channel, I did not expect to get 20,000 subscribers within just 4 months, because I had this myth in my mind that I couldn't reach audiences outside my country. But because of the recent rapid development of AI tools, I finally decided that I must start this channel. So my first advice is, if you are thinking or planning to start a YouTube channel, don't procrastinate, don't postpone it, and just start your channel. It doesn't matter what category or niche or what country you are living in, you just need to start today itself. That's why I finally decided to start this Faceless YouTube channel with the help of AI tools. At the end of this video, I will show you my video analytics as well. I hope it will give you some motivation. But let me give you some good advice. Before you start a channel like this, you must have a good knowledge about online money making. If not, you can't become a successful creator in the niche. If you don't have an idea about your niche, you can't continue it for too long without copying other creators. And the future of your channel is not stable. At any point, you can get a copyright strike saying you have copied someone else's video. I have seen several channels that have copied my entire video script without even changing a word. They can't be on this platform for too long, so be unique and do what you love in a niche that you have knowledge about. So that was the second advice: don't copy other creators. Okay, so let me show you how I create my videos. This is not a simple method. It takes me around 17 hours to complete an 8-minute video, basically 2 days. So first I research the trending topic and trending niches on YouTube and TikTok. Then I create the video script. I don't use any AI tools for the script. I do it by myself. Normally it takes around 4 to 5 hours. So after that, I need to make voiceovers. At first, I was going to use my voice and record it, but then I found this special text-to-speech AI called 11 Labs. So this AI saved a lot of my time and money. You can sign up for free for this AI. They will give you free 10,000 characters. Once you sign up, you can see that there are a lot of AI voices in here. Have you ever heard this famous voice on TikTok?
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
This is one of the AI voices from 11 Labs. It's called Adam. Not only that, there are a lot of AI voices for different purposes, so let me show you some examples. If you are going to create a channel about storytelling or news, this AI voice would be suitable.
As an organizer, I start from where the world is, as it is, not as I would like it to be.
This one will be suitable for advertising purposes.
Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
If you are planning to create a meditation or self-healing or calm video channel, this voice will be amazing for that.
Never mistake motion for action.
They even have kids' voices. You can use this voice for kids' YouTube channel.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart.
If you scroll down, you will be able to find a lot of AI voices. But not only these default AI voices. If you click this Add Voice button and then select Voice Library, you will be able to access hundreds of AI voices with different accents such as British, American, and Indian, both male and female voices. Crazy thing is all these voices are realistic. You won't be able to tell these are AI voices. Let's say you want to find a voice suitable for social media. Just select the social media from this top menu. It will show you only the voices which are suitable for social media. It is really that simple. You just need to select your category, and this AI will show you all suitable voices. Now let me show you one of the craziest things with this AI, which is cloning your voice. You can create an AI that has your voice, so no need to record your voice anymore. 11 Labs gives us 2 options to clone our voice. The first one is instant cloning. Second one is professional cloning. So if you want to use your own voice for the videos, you can clone your voice using this AI. After I create voiceovers, I start the editing process. Before that, let me show you how I created my talking avatar. I actually create this specific background and avatar using Adobe Illustrator. I drew it from scratch, but I will show you an easier way to make an avatar like this. For this easy method, we are going to use Leonardo AI. It's an AI art generator similar to Midjourney, but they give you free credits daily, so you don't have to spend money for this. Let me explain how this works. So all these images are actually AI models. If you look carefully, each one of them has different characteristics. First, you should decide which type of images you are going to use for your videos, then select a suitable AI model based on that. For this video, I would like to use cartoon and art style images, therefore this AI model would be good. Then click Generate using this model. It will bring you to this page. These images are some of the images that I generated previously, just ignore them. You can change the size of the images using these dimensions. These specific numbers represent the number of artworks. I will select 3 variations from this. And then all you need to do is create a prompt similar to this one. It's very simple, just add the things you want in this image to this prompt. And click Generate. It will create your images within several seconds. If you don't like the images, you can try it again. So, just like this, you can create the avatar for your channel. Then we need to animate this to a talking avatar. For this process, I'm going to use Studio DID. It's an AI that can convert steady images to talking characters. First, sign into your account and then follow these steps. Once you sign into your account, you will see this button called Create Video. Then you will come to this screen. Click the Add button and upload the image that we created using Leonardo AI. Then, you can upload the voiceovers here like this. Then just click the Generate button. Within several minutes, it will generate your video. This is what it will look like. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a video about how I started my YouTube channel. See how easy it is to make a talking avatar like this. If you don't want to pay for Studio DID, I will show you another AI tool, which can make similar talking avatars but for free. The only issue with this next AI is it will take up to 20 minutes to generate your video. This AI is called vidnaz.ai. This process is similar to before. Click the Create Video button. From here, select the blank page with Landscape Mood, then you will come to this page. From this top menu, select the Avatar option, and then select the Talk and FOD option. Now, upload the image we created to this. Then click this button called Generate this talking photo. It will come as a circle. You need to select a full image from here like this. Then adjust its size to match the surface area. Finally, upload the voice over here. And then click Generate. It will start processing your video. It will take several minutes and complete the video. This is what it looks like. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a video about how I started my YouTube channel. Then you can download it from here. For the editing process, I normally use Adobe Premiere Pro. If you don't know how to use this software, you need to learn it first. I learned this software using YouTube tutorials. It took me 3 or 4 weeks to learn all the basics. Then, with several months of experience, I was able to edit videos like this. If you have the courage and discipline, you can learn this without any issue. I don't recommend outsourcing the video editing process in the beginning because video editors normally charge around $150 to make a 5-minute video like this. So, it's better if you can do it by yourself. But if you like to invest some money in your channel, you can outsource the video editing part. If you don't have time to learn about Premiere Pro, you can use CapCut as the video editor. It's a free video editor, and especially if you are a beginner, it's very easy to use and learn. Filmora is another video editor that you can use. I normally don't use Filmora, but it's good video editor. Doing all these things is not actually enough to become a successful creator. Let me tell you about the 6 most important parts you must follow if you want to become a successful creator. These are my 6 secrets. When I started this channel, the first video that I uploaded was this one. Like everyone, I put a lot of time and effort into making this one video, but at the end of the day, it didn't get the views and the attention that I expected. I'm pretty sure that you already know the reason for that. The thumbnail sucks, the title sucks, the duration is 2 minutes, no proper SEO, and editing also sucks. Like everyone, after posting my first video, I just gave up. Mistake number 1. Expecting to go viral after uploading the first video. If you make this mistake, all your motivation for your YouTube journey will disappear. That's exactly what happened to me with this channel. For a month, I did not make any new videos. You cannot expect to go viral with your first video. These are not my own words, these are the words of the most successful YouTuber on the planet. So, when you are starting, don't think about the views or subscribers, just keep uploading content. Part 2. Ugly and boring thumbnails. The first thing your viewer sees is your thumbnail, not the content, not your fancy edits. It doesn't matter if you spent days editing your video, or spent hundreds of dollars on video editors. If your thumbnail is an average bullshit like this, you will not get any views. You should plan your thumbnail even before creating the video because the thumbnail is the face of your video. These are some new videos I saw on YouTube. They got 0 views, even after several hours or days. Let's be honest, if you see one of these videos on your homepage, would you click it? I wouldn't do that. We don't know whether these videos are valuable or not. But the first impression is not so good because of these boring thumbnails. I mean, look at the fonts and images. Your thumbnail is like your brand identity. Your audience should be able to understand that a specific video is from your channel by only looking at your thumbnails. It should be unique and eye-catching. Don't add paragraphs of text to it. Just be unique and creative. If you search any topic on YouTube and see the top videos that have millions of views, their thumbnails are really good. Just see these thumbnails and think, if you see this video, would you click it? Part 3. Shitty titles. If your viewers see your thumbnail, then the next second they will see your title. If your title is boring and some random useless phrase, half of your viewers will not watch it. So, what is a good title and what is a bad title? As a creator, you should understand this. There are several types of title styles, like these titles. People started to create titles like these in 2020, but now almost every creator uses titles like this. That's why you need to be updated and create unique title styles like these titles. Whenever you do some simple but unique thing, your video will perform better than your competitors. That's why you should do some research before just typing your title. If your thumbnail is good but you don't get many views, your title might be the problem. One last thing about the title is don't use clickbait titles. Your viewers don't like that. Part 4. First 15 seconds of your video. Let's say your thumbnail and title are perfect so you get views, but your view duration time is very low. That means your viewers don't watch your video till the end. If the average duration time of your video is low, it's probably because the first 15 seconds of your video sucks. You should add a strong hook to your video in the first 15 seconds. It should be interesting and it should be able to grab the viewer's attention and create some curiosity. What are the best hooks? Let me show you some examples. I will never recover from learning this. I will show you how to have the best space of your life. This is going to blow your mind. Imagine this. Don't do this, instead do this. Stop doing. I'm sure that you have seen phrases like these when you are watching YouTube videos. These phrases can grab the viewer's attention without them knowing that this is a trick. If you don't use these tricks on your videos, the chances of going viral are very low. All the big YouTubers do this trick.
Listen to me. You are so close.
Did you see what happened in this clip? The hook that he used was, "Listen to me, you are so close." This can grab attention faster than anything. Once you hear this, you have an urge to watch this video just to see what he will say afterward. This is what a good hook looks like.
If I gave you the choice to either buy 30 Lamborghinis or help save the lives of 10,000 people in 1 year...
In that video, Mr. Beast asks a question about checking your morality. So, it automatically makes a reason to watch this video till the end, because that statement creates curiosity in the viewer's mind to know what will happen next. So, next time you are making your videos, make sure to use a good hook in the first 15 seconds of your video. It will give your viewer to reason to watch the video till the end. Part 5. Interesting script. This is the hardest part. A lot of new creators don't put much effort into creating the video script. Now, a lot of creators only use AI tools like ChatGPT to create scripts. To be honest, AI tools like ChatGPT are not that creative. If you ask to write a script from ChatGPT, it will do that for you, but that script would sound like a science essay. So, if you create your scripts using AI 100%, you will not go viral, because your script should be easy to understand and it should not be boring. So, what are the things you must consider when writing a script for your videos? Number 1. It should be valuable to the viewer. You must provide the information that your viewer is looking for. Especially the information in your script should match the title and thumbnail. Number 2. The script should be interesting and easy to understand. Don't add complex fancy words, just be simple. Everyone loves simplicity. A lot of creators destroy the video by adding complex sentences and phrases. Number 3. Add simple jokes to your video. It will make your viewers laugh and enjoy the content. If you just make your video similar to a boring university lecture, your viewers will not watch your videos till the end. Number 4, don't ask for subscribers and likes. Let your viewers decide whether your content is valuable or not. If it's valuable, they will like your video. If the content is actually useful for them, they will probably subscribe to your channel. Don't ask to subscribe to your channel in every 2 minutes. Honestly, it's really annoying and cringe. Part 6, edit like a pro. As I mentioned earlier, you must become a good video editor or you should hire a pro editor. If you actually follow all the important things, you can create a channel like this. I know it's not a simple work, but if I can do that, you all can do it for sure. As I promised, let me share my video analytics with you so that you can get motivated. So, my total views are around 860,000 so far. Currently, I have around 20,000 subscribers. This is just for motivation. I hope you learned something from this channel. I will see you in the next video.